And this red was, and it's traditional color of house, wood house. It's quite dark red. And even what is not natural things made colors, they are also can have the same color, but most are this kind of natural color because it's not very expensive paint, and it's easy to paint. It's covering very good on wood wall outside, but the one problem there is you must always make all house on one one not one can or so, but what is in one same kettle cooked, because it's never coming same color two times. It's little bit darker or little bit lighter. It's very hard to get same color if you do this natural thing. There was pink houses, not very often seen. The other thing what is on Finnish Swedish speaking people have yellow houses. It is called so schoolhouse yellow, because schools was often painted with that kind of yellow too. Brown leaves are looking nice when there is sunshine coming. Yeah, there is houses still a little bit of this kind of. No, the other part was yellow, but this kind of white light yellow or what it is. Another end was pink. I would be never coloring my house pink. Oh, blue. Oh, lila. I have been seeing that kind of houses too, but it's not for me. Oh, now I'm coming on this town area where I have unloading. 26 kilometers, and again red houses. Not red houses. And bales of grass. Nice house there, I like that style of simple model of house. I like it very much. Yeah, it's nice house, and I'm not envy of that. I'm happy because they have a nice house and I'm living on trailer home. Yeah, trailer home. Yeah. And I'm happy about my trailer home. It's enough for me. It's warm. Roof is not leaking. I come there, water inside, wastewater going outside, electric, shower, warm inside. What the other things are man needing? Except, of course, woman would be nice. Yeah. Wife for rest of life. That would be, it's my biggest favor. Yeah, and that would be also quite nice for a lady, because next February I'm 50 years old, so maybe 25-30 years, and if she is now young, she is also that time quite young widow. There was again little driving, little looking. Oh, there is old model of post box. That kind of boxes was earlier on the street. That was other direction like it was now. And there was post bus coming. It was full size of bus. There was in end of bus was place of post and goods and so. And there was coming this kind of truck what was shopping wood. Yeah, and it was not stopping there when it was putting mail there. It was newspaper, letters and that kind of things. There was rolls. And it was maybe driving something 50-60 km/h. And the who was taking money of passengers, he or she was throwing on speed post on this kind of box. There is also that kind of box. Yeah. There was coming a milk truck full of milk, or maybe it was empty and coming from dairy, back from dairy. Oh, there is cows on field. I enjoy always seeing cows and that kind of things, because I'm country boy, born to farm and living on young age on farm. But so dirt to moon, or every kind of those things have been talked again today and tried little, and maybe I try one day put this also to YouTube. So hello, Only Lonely Farmer, Sergei Tratsev, and this Brazilian lady who is driving old Scania 111, Anaile do Jakaire, or what she was, very nice smiling lady. Try to do same things like them. Okay, thank you, bye bye.